Let's make mango barbecue chicken loaded potato nachos using the Divine Cuisine mango barbecue sauce. Salt, onion powder, paprika, seasoned pepper, seasoned salt, mesquite barbecue, garlic powder, olive oil, the best balance of flavors. I have some salt, seasoned pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil. Drizzle them a little more with the oil in the pan, and then we're gonna use the Divine Cuisine mango barbecue sauce. Nice and crispy. Layer a little bit here. Put a little bit of cheese that I shredded up. Put this in the oven at 425.